Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to General Management and scroll down again. And somewhere near the bottom, you'll find a Reset option. Click on it and then select Factory Data Reset from the very bottom. This will then give you info on what this process will remove, so all the data listed right here. And out of all this, from this list, the only thing that really matters will be things like your pictures, maybe music, and primarily user data. So anyway, if you have anything that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. And assuming you have already done the backup, or you maybe just don't want to, from here you can scroll all the way down and select Reset. Now if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. And also if you are signed into your Samsung account, you will need to sign out of that, because providing them with your pattern means F all when you still need to basically sign out of it. Now the question is, why couldn't they just give you this if it's a more secure method to confirm that you're the legitimate user? Just present me first with this. Why bother me with a pattern? I'm not sure if I'm typing it correctly, so let's see. And yep, that was the correct password. As you've seen, once you confirm it, it will automatically begin factory resetting, and this process will take a couple minutes to finish up. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.